Good morning, students. Uh, Today I am going to explain the same chapter, internal trade, in which the topic is different today. The topic is departmental store, which comes under the large scale retail outlets. So, before starting it, I am going to revise about the internal trade at first. Internal trade is a type of trade which take place within a country by using the domestic currency in it, because the person who is going to start the internal trade cannot sell his product away from the country and to other countries. That is why internal trade is an important type of trade which helps the management to carry out all the financial or business activities within a country only. And after that, yesterday we discussed about the small scale business, small scale retail outlets, but today the topic is different. The topic is departmental store, which comes under large scale retail outlets and fixed retail outlets. So if we are going to know about the departmental store, beforehand we should discuss about the large scale retail outlets. Large scale retail outlets are those stores which have fixed place to sell out the product in the market to the different customers. Like many departmental stores are present in our city also. Vishal Mega Mart, City Mart, V Mart, and many other marts are located here. It works as a departmental store because it keep all type of products under one roof. We can see many of floors in Big Bazaar, Vishal Mega Mart, and every floor carry the similar material. Like in one floor they are selling garments for female, in another floor they are selling the garments for male, and the next floor they are selling the garments for kids. So ultimately the departmental stores are those stores which are carried out by the businessmen at a large scale. And the fixed retail outlets are also those retail outlets which also helps the businessman to carry out the business activities at a large scale. And departmental store is a part of large scale retail outlets. There are many departmental stores are located over here. Those are providing grocery items to the customer also. Like G Mart is here. It is also considered the departmental store. So that the departmental stores helps the people to purchase the product at a large scale at a particular place only. That is why the departmental store plays an important role in the development of the small scale retail outlets or internal trade in our country. So today we will discuss about the features of departmental stores, in which the first feature is location. So we can say generally the departmental stores are located in mid of the city, because the departmental stores try to attract large number of customers towards the departmental store and to increase the sale of its product by locating the departmental stores in the mid areas of the city. It is an important part before starting the business, because the customer want their convenient. The customer want their convenience while purchasing the product from the seller. If the departmental stores are located in the city, then the customer can easily visit the departmental stores and purchase the product from there. If the departmental stores are not located in the city, then the customer prefer to purchase the product from their nearby stores, not from the departmental store. That is why we have to keep in our mind that the product, the departmental store should be located in the city only to satisfy the need of customers of the different parts. The next one is goods available. As I told you people, the departmental stores always carry the different variety of products to satisfy the need of the customer. They keep the grocery items, they keep the utensils, they keep the footwears, they keep the garments, they keep the other articles also as per the demand take place in the market. So different type of goods are always kept by departmental stores. The third and very important part is parking facility. Departmental stores are always providing the parking facility to their customers, because the people those are going to purchase product from departmental store, they want their vehicles safe. They want to get the parking space to park their vehicles. That is why the departmental stores are also providing the parking facility for the vehicles of the customers. Fourth point is carrying goods. Departmental stores are also providing the home delivery facilities to the customer. If the customer give their address to the departmental stores, then also the departmental stores provide the carrying facility to the customer to reach the product at the door of the customer. Generally now, in this period of lockdown, the departmental stores are providing carrying facilities or home delivery facilities to the customer. Through that, the customer can easily purchase the product. Customer can easily get the product at their home. That is why the carrying facilities are also given by the departmental stores to the customer. The last one is well packed. Generally, the departmental stores keep the product, those are well packed, those are well labeled also, because the customer want to purchase that type of product which is well packed and well labeled. That is why we can say the departmental stores are also providing the packing facility to the customer, in which they are providing the bags and with the name of the stores are also mentioned. They are doing two type of promotion over there. They are providing the packing facility as well as they are performing the promotion of their business. That is why this feature is also very important. So students, today we discussed about the departmental stores, and features of departmental stores. If you have any problem related to these features of departmental stores, you may send your queries on my personal number, or you can take the screenshot of it. And I'm suggesting you people to watch the video again and again to know about this topic well. Further, you have any query related to this chapter, this topic, you may ask your queries on my personal number. And I'm also sending 5 questions related to these features and the meaning of departmental store. You should solve it and send your homework at my personal number or group, class group also. So it's enough for today. Have a nice day.